Welcome to the Living Soils Mastery course. Whether you're now embarking on your farming journey or you're an experienced hand in the fields, this course is your gateway to mastering the secrets of the soil. As a new farmer, you'll discover how nurturing your soil can revolutionize your crops, combat pests, and even conserve water. It's about understanding the earth that feeds us. For veterans in farming, this course offers deep dives into the soil's ecosystem. You'll gain insights into advanced techniques that enrich your soil, enhance your yield, and elevate your farming practices. Soil is a living, breathing world. In this course, we'll explore the soil food web, the critical role of microorganisms, and how to foster a thriving farm ecosystem. Join us on this enriching journey, whether you're starting fresh or building on years of experience. Let's grow together and nurture the life beneath our feet.